$65,987 is invested, part at 8% and the rest at 6%. If the interest earned from the amount invested at the 8% exceeds the interest earned at the amount invested at 6% by $584.20, how much is invested in each rate? Well, let's set up our two equations. The first one, for amounts, this is the amount invested, and part of it was at 8% and the rest of it was at 6%. So we'll use our P plus R is equal to the $65,987. Our second equation is the value times amount. We have the interest earning at 8% exceeds. Well, the value is 8%. The amount invested at the 8% was part. And now that's going to exceed. That means that it is in excess. It has more than the amount of interest earned invested at the 6% by this amount. So our 8% times part of it will be greater than our 6% times the rest of it by this $584.20. So we're going to want to try and clean up these two equations. The first equation hasn't changed. The second equation, we need to rewrite these numbers of percentages as decimals. Now we can multiply both sides of the equation by 100 to clear the decimals. The first equation hasn't changed. When we multiply the second equation by 100, we get 8p equals 6r plus 58,420. And now we're going to try and solve this equation for either p or r. Let's put all the p's and r's on the same side of the equation. We do that by adding a negative 6r to both sides of the equation. 8p minus 6r equals 58,420. And we still have our first equation, p plus r equals 65,987. But in order still to make a p or an r go away, we're going to have to do some multiplying. Let's multiply the second equation, which used to be the first equation, by 6 on both sides. I'm going to write this answer over in this location. We still have 8p minus 6r equals 58,420, and we now have 6p plus 6r equals 39,922. So if we were to add these two equations together, we would make our r's go away. We would have 14p equals 454,342. And then to get p alone, we would multiply both sides of the equation by the reciprocal of 14. And we get p is equal to 32,453. But we still need to find out what r is. And remember, the original amount invested in this entire problem was the $65,987. So we'll take the 32,453 from the 65,987, and we get 33,534. So again, we need to end in words. I'm going to do a little bit of a shortcut here and just write $32,453 invested at 8%, $33,534 invested at 6%.